Welcome to the automotive paint shop, where vehicle bodies receive the protective and decorative coatings that define the final appearance of the car. At this stage, the body structure has already been assembled and welded. In manufacturing, this unfinished body is commonly referred to as the body in white. Before paint is applied, the body passes through several cleaning and pre-treatment stages. These steps remove contaminants such as oils, welding residues, and metal particles, while preparing the surface for coating adhesion and corrosion protection. Proper pre-treatment is critical because it forms the foundation for every coating layer that follows. The next step is the electro-coat process, often called e-coat. During this stage, the entire vehicle body is submerged in a tank containing electrically charged coating material. An electrical current causes the coating to deposit evenly across the entire metal surface, including hidden cavities and structural areas. This layer provides the vehicle's primary corrosion protection. After the electro-coat layer is cured, the vehicle moves into the primer application stage. Primer helps smooth minor surface imperfections and creates a stable base for the color coat. It also improves adhesion and contributes to the durability of the entire coating system. The next stage is the base coat, which provides the vehicle's color and visual appearance. Industrial painting robots apply the base coat using extremely precise spray patterns. Many paint shops use electrostatic spray technology, which electrically charges the paint particles so they are attracted to the metal body. This improves transfer efficiency and reduces overspray. Once the color coat is complete, the vehicle receives a clear coat layer. Clear coat provides gloss, depth of appearance, and protection from ultraviolet radiation, weather exposure, and chemical damage. This layer is responsible for the durable shine associated with modern automotive finishes. After each coating stage, the vehicle body passes through curing ovens. Heat accelerates chemical reactions within the coating, allowing the paint layers to harden and form a durable protective film. Controlled curing ensures the coatings achieve their design performance properties. Before leaving the paint shop, the vehicle undergoes detailed inspection. Advanced inspection systems and trained specialists examine the painted surface to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Any imperfections detected during this stage can be corrected before the vehicle proceeds to final assembly.